Welcome to 2016. 2015 ended pretty flat and frankly frustrating for many investors. 2016 isn't starting off much better. The S&P 500 has actually already officially corrected, which is a 10% drop in the index. And this correction looks very similar to the one we had last August and September in 2015. Ironically, it made that official correction on January 13th, the same day the Powerball made it to $1.5 billion. So a lot of people are thinking, hey, maybe the Powerball is a better investment than the stock market. It is not a better investment than the stock market, especially with your life savings. This correction looks very similar to the one we had last fall, driven by China and oil prices. Now, China's economy, nobody really knows the precision that it's actually working on. They have downgraded their growth rate. Frankly, they may not even grow this year, something that hasn't happened in China for decades. Oil prices in this country are at 12-year lows, $30 a barrel. Some people are saying they may even go to $20 a barrel. This has driven commodity prices down and has a downward pressure on interest rates. Frankly, there's a lot of investors who are thinking we're going to have high inflation, hyperinflation. There's no signs of that. And those that have invested accordingly are feeling the brunt of this drop in commodity and consumer prices. All in all, these aren't major factors on our economy. It is causing some fear. It has caused our economy to correct, our stock market to correct. But China has little direct effect on our country. And to prove that, one thing that happened last week, China's market dropped quickly and they actually shut it down for the day. Then when our market opened, our market had a down day, which makes sense on some levels. But if you look a little closer, it's companies like Google lost 3%. Google's not even able to do business in China. How does that have any effect on Google's profitability going forward? That's just one indicator that says it's a fear-driven, not a logic-driven reaction. So yes, it has affected our economy, but no, I don't see it as a bad thing that's causing our economy to slow. Oil prices, the same thing. Obviously, there's sectors of our economy that has hurt, but the bottom line is it's cheaper at the pump. It's cheaper when you buy stuff because the companies now have lower costs. And frankly, you're investing in those companies with your investments in the stock market. So they're going to become more profitable when their costs are lower. So all in all, lower oil prices are a good thing for this country and a good thing for our economy. Now, we don't have a great economy, but it's not getting worse. And so in that sense, I don't see this correction as the start of a crash or a recession. I see it as a good opportunity to buy. For that disciplined investor that's looking for opportunities. Usually corrections only happen every 3 or 4 years. We've had 2 of them in 6 months. It's a good time to go find some deals. So what I'm doing is I'm having conversations with many of my clients to say, do we need to shift to maybe a different portfolio that has more upside when the market does come back? Now, there's no guarantee it's not going to go down or up first, but the bottom line is I don't see this as a decline in our economy. It's simply a stock market correction. Great time to buy on the upswing. And also, it's a good time of year to start putting your money in your IRAs and Roth IRAs before tax season. So don't wait till April 15th. Do it in January while the market's at a 10% discount. It's that much better off when it does come back. And everybody's situation is different, so this is not a blanket statement that everybody needs to go invest, but don't be fearful of it. There's a lot of media out there that's pushing the hype to say, hey, it's coming, the world's coming to an end, the market's crashing, it's going to go way down. They get paid off of people watching, and the more fearful you are, the more you're going to watch. So whether it's TV, radio, print, don't trust everything you hear. There's a lot of brokers out there that are really pushing it just to get attention. If you have questions, give us a call. I'm Justin Struble with Wealth Caps. I hope you have a great year, and I hope to talk to you soon.